Question 16 of this exercise says if AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So let's start by drawing a figure to understand what this problem really says. So triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they are two similar triangles. So here's a figure of two similar triangles that I'm going to use for this problem. ABC and PQR, they are similar. And AD and PM are medians. So let's draw the median AD. So D would be the midpoint of BC. And we join A to D. And then similarly PM is a median, so M would be the midpoint of QR, and we join P to M. Okay, and now we have to show that AB by PQ, which is basically this side AB by the corresponding side PQ, is equal to AD, which is this side, this median, by PM, which is the corresponding median. So in other words, what we really have to show is that the medians AD and PM, they are in the same ratio as the corresponding sides of the two triangles, which seems to be reasonable given that the two triangles are similar. So their sides are proportional, and hence the medians should also be in the same proportion. So that is what we have to show. So here's what we will do to solve this problem. We will first consider the triangles. So we will consider the triangles ABD and PQM. So let me highlight these two triangles for you. So ABD is this triangle ABD, and PQM is this triangle. So if we show that these two triangles are similar, then this result will follow automatically. So how can we show that these two triangles are similar? Well, this angle that we have at B, this must be equal to the angle at Q, because the whole triangle ABC and PQR are similar. So let me highlight the two triangles ABC and PQR. So this angle we know must be equal to this angle, and also the sides containing this angle in the triangles ABD and PQM. Can we say that AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM? So AB by PQ is this pair, and BD by QM would be this pair. So can we say that these two ratios are equal? Well, we can, because BD is half of BC and QM is half of QR. So BD by QM will basically be equal to BC by QR. But we know that BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ, because the triangles ABC and PQR, they are similar. Okay, so this by showing that AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, we can say that these two triangles will be similar. Triangle ABD and PQM, they will be similar by the SAS similarity criterion. And once we have shown that these two triangles are similar, it will follow that their sides are proportional. So this equality of ratios that we have to prove, that will follow. Okay, so let's write out the reasoning properly. So because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, this is basically given to us. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We can say that AB by the corresponding side PQ must be equal to BC by QR. And also we can observe that BD is half of BC and QM is half of QR. Correct? So if we take the ratios now, so BD by QM will be equal to BC by QR. So if we observe these two equalities, equality 1 and equality 2, from these two we can say that AB by PQ and BD by QM will be equal. So from 1 and 2, we can say that AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. So if we now compare these triangles ABD and PQM, we have this equality of ratios, and also we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q, and that's again because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now, because this pair of angles is equal and the sides containing these angles are proportional, we can say that triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQM, and this is because of the SAS similarity criterion. And now, because these triangles are similar, all the corresponding sides will be proportional. So now we can finally say that AB by PQ will be equal to the ratio of the medians AD by PM. Alright, so this is what we had to prove. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So this completes question number 16.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.